Hey Ma, are we on?
We are.
Welcome to the workshop.
Again.
And today, well actually it wasn't today, the other day we had a go at making these inspired by the peaks jewellery stand. So look, this is what happens. This goes on here, like this. Okay, different sizes. We've got different little mountain ranges all here. But then when we tried them, we found that the jewellery was slipping, so Marlene had this marvellous idea of putting these notches in the end, like this. Oh yeah, that looks nicer, right? Yeah. That looks much nicer. However, we were a bit worried about putting notches in and how that might affect the structure of the stand, say if somebody knocks one over or something like that. So today we are...
Or if you've got children.
Yes, or a cat with a crazy paw, or a dog with a waggy tail, anything like that. So today we are mecking
and breaking.
So here's one we had earlier on. So I'm just going to chuck this about a bit really and see what happens. So are we ready for fire one?
Yeah, go.
Fire one.
Boop. Oh!
Uh-oh.
Bits
have chipped off. Right, so it's, I'm going to do the cat paw one this time.
How'd it come out?
So I'm going to just... Oh, there's another bit. Right. So let's have a look. So we've had a bit chipped off the bottom. This top edge here, look, should be like a peak. Nice and crisp, but you can see it's been squished in and it's been mullered a bit. I think maybe we should, that top edge, just use the bandsaw just to take the slight edge off the top so it hasn't got such a pointy peak.
So be rounded.
Yeah. Oh okay. Yeah, we could round them. That might look quite nice actually. Because on these edge bits here, if the grain is going a certain way, it is going to make it weak. However, the bit we were worried about, this bit here, has survived. So I think if we work on making some of these edges round, I think we'll be okay with that.
Will it still stand up okay?
So it should be fine. This is pine, so obviously it is a softwood. The grain is wider apart, so it's a bit different to using some of our other woods that we use, like this accoya here, which is will operate in a slightly different way to that. So yeah, so I think it's okay. I think they're going to look nice, and we'll just do a little bit of product amendment, and then they'll be on our shop.